సో ప్రాజెక్ట్ టైటిల్ వచ్చేసరికి సోలార్ విండ్ పవర్ జనరేషన్ system using the Leo converters. Okay, so here I will be using it as a controller as a node MCU, and LCD for displaying purpose, and relay is used for the remote switching purpose, and voltage sensor is used for measuring the how much of voltage it will be getting in, or it will be stored in the battery to get in the voltage initialization. For that purpose I will be using this one. Okay, so here I will be using the solar panel, and wind purpose I will be using a motor. Okay, so whatever the energy is there, that will be stored in a battery, and it will be utilized by the through battery by the system. So whenever you are applying the power supply, it will be showing it as a welcome to the project and project title, and your Wi-Fi login credentials, SSID is and password. Here it will be waiting for the Wi-Fi connecting, so need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So here it will be waiting for the Wi-Fi connection. For that purpose I will be using so I need to turn on in the mobile Wi-Fi or laptop mobile Wi-Fi. Okay, so for that here I will be using the mobile laptop. So already I will be connected to the one Wi-Fi network. So here I will be turn on in the mobile hotspot. Already I will be given the login credential as a advanced projects hub, and bandwidth as a 2.4 GHz. I will be turning on the mobile hotspot. If in case Wi-Fi login credentials are there accessible, then automatically it will be connected there, and it will be showing in the here. And you need to know the IP address that will be showing in the LCD as well as here also. So already it will be connected. So the name of the node MCU is the ESP and something name. So it will be the IP address for the node MCU. So I need to copy this one, and I have to enter it in any browser. So here I will be using it as another Chrome, Google Chrome, and I will be entering the IP address of the corresponding system. Okay, so whatever the data we are fetching from the node MCU, that will be shown here. So corresponding timer and voltage and load. Initially load will be in the off condition. If you have to turn on in the load remotely, then I will be using the two buttons here. Okay, so based on these two buttons I have to control in the load. So data voltage, whatever the voltage will be available in the battery, that will be stored that will be displayed here. Okay, so if I want to turn on in the load, okay, so I have to turn on the click on the turn on the load, and static is changed, and device will be turned on. If in case I need to turn off the load, so whenever I will be clicking the turn off load, so load will be the off, and also status will also changed here. So previously I will be using the on, now it will be in the off condition. Okay, like this it will be operating the continuously. Whenever we will be requiring to turn on in the turn off the load, I will be preferring the using the remotely. I will be controlling the corresponding load, whatever it may be, either it may be fan or load, anything that will be I will be controlling the remotely.